Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to crochet this acorn. So to make this I have used single crochet stitches and made this body and cap separately, and at the end stitched them together. You can use this acorn in number of ways in your crochet decoration. Here I made this oak leaf. So I will give you the link of this leaf, how to make this oak leaf, and attach this to this stem, but you can use this like this also. So before we start to make this acorn, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to crochet this acorn. So to make this you will need one brown and dark brown color. I have this embroidery thread, so I'm going to use this thread, and for this embroidery thread I'm going to use crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. You will need some fiber filling, stitch marker, needle and scissor. So first we are going to make this lower body. So take your light brown color and make a ring. Here I am going to use a magic ring. So once you have a ring, in this ring we are going to make 4 single crochet stitches. So 4 single crochets. If you are working on this magic ring, so just pull this loose end of this ring to close. So round number 1 is done and we have 4 single crochet. And round number 2, here we are going to work directly on top of first stitch. We are not going to use a slip stitch. So on top of first stitch, take your hook and make 2 single crochet. Place the marker on your first stitch so you get to know this is the starting of round number 2. After 2 single crochet, on next stitch make 1 single crochet. Now repeat these stitches one more time. In next stitch make 2 single crochet, and on your last stitch make 1 single crochet. So round number 2 is done and we have 6 stitches. Now in round number 3, top of each stitch make 2 single crochet. So take your hook on top of first stitch and here make 2 single crochet. So like this, make 2 single crochet in remaining stitches and work till your last stitch. So round number 3 is done and we have 12 stitches. Now in round number 4, top of next stitch make 1 single crochet, then on next stitch make 2 single crochet, place the marker on your first stitch. So in round number 4 we are going to repeat this stitches. Top of next stitch make 1 single crochet, then on next stitch make 2 single crochet. So 1 2 1 2, like this. Repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. So round number 4 is done and we have 18 stitches. Now in round number 5, top of next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet. After 2 single crochet, work on next stitch and make 2 single crochet. So in round number 5 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, then on third stitch make 2 single crochet. So 1 1 2 1 1 2, like this. Repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. Round number 5 is done and we have 24 stitches. Now in round number 6, top of next 3 stitch make 1 single crochet. After 3 single crochet, work on next stitch and here make 2 single crochet. So in round number 6 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 3 stitch make 1 single crochet, then on fourth stitch make 2 single crochet. So 1 1 1 and 2, like this. Repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. So round number 6 is done and we have 30 single crochet stitches. Now from round number 7 to 11 we are going to work 1 single crochet on top of each stitch. So take your hook, first stitch and make 1 single crochet, then on next 1, so like this. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch and complete round number 7 8 9 10 and 11. So I've done with my 11th round and we get this shape. Now in round number 12 we are going to decrease the single crochet stitch. So work in next 3 stitch and make 1 single crochet. After 3 single crochet, work in next 2 stitch and here we are going to make 1 decrease. So to do the decrease, take the front loop of next 2 stitch, front loop of first single crochet, then front loop of next single crochet. So you will have 3 loop on your hook. Now grab and pull from first 2 loop, then next 2 loop. So like this we made a decrease of 1 single crochet. So in this round we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 3 stitch make 1 single crochet, then on next 2 stitch make 1 decrease. So like this, repeat these stitches and work in remaining stitch. Make 1 single crochet in next 3 stitch, then on next 2 stitch make 1 decrease, work, repeat and work till your last stitch. So round number 12 is done, and now we have 24 stitches. Now in round number 13, in next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease, so in round number 13 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, then on next 2 stitch make 1 decrease and repeat and work till your last stitch. So we made this body. Now we are going to make this cap. Now take your dark brown color and with that make a ring. So once you have a ring, in this ring make 8 single crochet stitches. After 8 single crochets, if you're working in this magic ring, just close this. So round number 1 is done, and we have 8 single crochets. Now from round number 2 we are going to work all our stitches to the back loop of the stitch. So you can see the stitch has a V shape. So this is the front loop of the stitch and this is the back loop of the stitch. So we are going to work all our stitches in back loop, and here we are not going to use a slip stitch. We are going to work directly on top of first stitch. So in round number 2 we are going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch. So take your hook, back loop of first stitch, here make 2 single crochet, place the marker on your first stitch, 2 single crochet. Now take your hook, back loop of next stitch and make 2 single crochet. So like this, make 2 single crochet in remaining stitches, work in back loop. So round number 2 is done, and we have 16 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 3 take your hook and back loop of first stitch and make 1 single crochet, then work in back loop of next stitch and make 2 single crochet. Work in back loop of next stitch, make 1 single crochet, then on next 2. So in round number 3 we are going to repeat these stitches, work in back loop, make 1 single crochet in next stitch, then work in back loop and make 2 single crochet. So 1 2 1 2 like this, repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. So round number 3 is done, and we have 24 stitches. And round number 4, work in back loop of each stitch and make 1 single crochet. So like this, make 1 single crochet, work in back loop and complete round number 4. So round number 4 is done and we have 24 stitches. Now in round number 5, work in back loop in next 3 stitch and make 1 single crochet. After 3 single crochet, work in back loop of next stitch and make 2 single crochet. So like this, we are going to repeat these stitches in round number 5. Work in back loop of next 3 stitch, make 1 single crochet, then on 4th stitch make 2 single crochet. So like this, repeat these stitches, make 1 single crochet in next 3 stitch, work in back loop and on 4th stitch make 2 single crochet, work on back loop and repeat the stitches and work till your last stitch. So round number 5 is done and we have 30 stitches. Now in round number 6, work in back loop of next 4 stitch and make 1 single crochet. After 4 single crochet, work in back loop of next stitch and make 2 single crochet. So in round number 6, we are going to repeat these stitches. Work in back loop of next 4 stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then on 5th stitch, work in back loop and make 2 single crochet. So 4 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. Like this, repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. So round number 6 is done and we have 36 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 7 to 10, we are going to make 1 single crochet and work all these stitches in back loop. So like this, make 1 single crochet, work in back loop and complete round number 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I've completed round number 10. Now in first stitch, make 1 slip stitch, pull this thread and cut with some margin. So we made this body and cap. Now we are going to make this stamp. Now make chain 7. After chain 7, skip first chain and in next 6 stitches make 1 slip stitch. So we made this stem. Now just pull this thread. Now with this thread we are going to stitch this stem to this center of this cap. So like this I stitched this stem. Now take this body here and place this like this. Now take this needle and take out from the 11th row of this body. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11th. So on 11th row here take this thread, fill this gap with some fiber. Now place this, pull this thread. So like this. Now I'm going to stitch this cap to the 11th row of this body. So this is done. If you want, you can make this oak leaf, which I already shared in my previous video, and make this leaf and attach that to this stem. So you can use this like this also. So I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, do let me know in the comment. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.